Welcome to the Charles and Gloria Jones Library Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to perform a search using the database ProQuest. ProQuest gives users access to dissertations and theses, current and archived academic articles from all subject areas, as well as ebooks. Let's begin at the library's homepage and choose the Databases link. Choose the letter P. Scroll down and click on ProQuest Databases. Enter terms using the search box. For example, let's search for information on flood narratives. Let's narrow our results by using the left-hand toolbar. Choose from options like source type, publication date, and subject. For this example, let's limit our results to scholarly journals. We will also limit to full text and peer-reviewed articles. Now, let's choose from the Databases option, choosing Religion. We can focus on looking at abstracts and articles in the refined results list. We can save the articles by clicking on the box on the left-hand side. Now, let's go to the top toolbar on the right-hand side and click the folder. From this page, you can email, cite, and save. Please remember, as a current student or employee, you have access to ProQuest online anytime using your LBC credentials. If you need further assistance, you can email the library at circdesk@lbc.edu via chat or submit a question form. This concludes the tutorial on how to search using ProQuest.